Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Blessing Ore here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So this video is gonna be the part 1 of my get ready with me for school, for the first day of school. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing my hair. So the hair I'm gonna be using in this video is from WorldNew hair. This is how the hair came in this black bag. So first things first, my hair is already in cornrows, so it's gonna be easier for me to apply to install the wig. So the things in the bag includes, so it comes in this type of bag. I've already opened it before, that's why it kind of looks messy. So in the bag there's the wig. It is a ginger 16-inch wig. So this is what the wig looks like. Like I said, I already opened it before, so this is what the wig looks like. It's gonna be my first time trying this type of color, and I am very excited to see how the color looks on my skin tone. So, and in the bag it comes with these 3 things. It comes with the lashes. It's really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see. It comes with the lashes, and there's this headband in it that has WorldNew hair written on it. And then there's 2 pieces of wig caps, which is good. And then they have their card in the bag. That is all that is in the bag, guys. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so since my hair is already in cornrow, it's gonna be easy for me to install the wig. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this wig cap that they gave me. Alright guys, so this is the wig cap. It says 2 pieces in it, so hopefully it's actually 2 pieces. Let me see. Oh yeah guys, so it's 2 pieces of wig cap that is in there. So I'm gonna put out this one right now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna apply foundation on my wig cap so it can blend into my skin tone. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, guys. Alright guys, so this is my first time using a wig cap, like I said. So I just added a little bit of foundation, and right now I'm gonna put the wig on just to see if there's like any difference. So it is a 13x4 wig. It came pre-plugged. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put foundation on the lace of the wig also. I think it's needed a little bit, but first I'm gonna cut the lace. Alright guys, so right now I just added foundation to the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue, the hair glue on it. so right now I'm about to go in with my comb and then style the hair. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, guys.
It's glitz on the bit.
Okay guys, so I already straightened the front part of my hair. So what I'm gonna do right now is there's a specific style that I'm going for. I'm gonna put the picture somewhere on the screen so you guys can see the type of style I'm going for, and that is what I'm gonna be doing right now.
It's glitz on the bit. It's glitz on the bit.
Okay guys, so right now I curled my hair already. I did my edges, although I didn't really curl it that much, but I am going to be showing you guys the finished look tomorrow when I get ready for. So I'm gonna be posting this video first, the hair install video first, and then I'm gonna post the get ready with me, which I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. So yeah guys, this is what the hair is looking like. I'm gonna do a review tomorrow.
On the bit.
Okay guys, so this is the first day of school and this is how my hair turned out this morning.